GUMBALLS, I liked GUMBALLS initially. When I was scrolling down and looking through it on the initial entries, I thought the concept was good. And seeing it in real life, I don't think it was pulled off as good as it could have been. Having said that, there's a lot of work gone into it, and it still has come out quite nice.
Real fun. When I saw that one too, I thought, you know, hey, what a neat thing to sort of have, but a lot of work into that too. If everything is, it's not just painted or a sticker, it's all done individually, and they've encased the whole fridge too, which is quite neat.
The gumball one was one that I selected from the initial concept drawings as one of my choices. On seeing it, I can't really fault the way that they've applied everything they've applied. Like, you know, everything is done sort of pretty well.
Yeah, GUMBALLS is really playful. My kids would love it. It was probably a little bit too colourful for me in my kitchen, but I could see it in a workspace, and I could see it in a play area, in rumpus rooms and those sorts of forums. You know, they should hook up with McDonald's and have them in every McDonald's. It was really fun.